In this video, I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to use a coupon code with BODi. So there's a permanent link that you can find if you look me up on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Although Facebook is the best because you can just click on the link and use it. Otherwise, in Instagram and TikTok, you have to copy and paste it, which is a little bit annoying. So to get this going, you'll get 15% off most purchases, including supplements, nutritions, renewals, and new subscriptions for digital purchases and exercise equipment. So it pretty much applies to everything. If you are limited by being an existing customer, one thing you can do is just use a different email address to make a purchase, and then you can bypass being an existing customer. So that's a trick you can use if you want to get a deal that's not normally available to yourself. Or if you want to do a renewal where there's a really good sale on, what you can do is if it's near the end of your term, you can have BODi cancel your subscription. Then when you wait to the end of your 1 year term, or 1 month term, depending on how you're going, you can then make that purchase once that has expired. So here we're going to go into the BODi website. So this is going to put a cookie on your computer to help yourself out as well as me. So right now you can see there's 30% off at checkout. And another trick is that in the US, you need $150 before discounts to get free shipping. So you can do that, or if you do subscribe and save, they'll give you an extra 10% off and free shipping as well. But if you don't want to have a commitment and worry about having the product showing up when you don't want it, you can just bulk up and buy whatever you want. So this product here is 55 bucks, but it's on sale right now for $49.46. So you've got a little bit of a sale on there initially, and there's more you can save. So subscribe and save is taking that 10% off. But we're going to go one time, and I've already added 5 of them to my cart, and you'll see why here in a second. That normally it would be 3 of these to get free shipping, but because there's such a good sale on right now, you actually need to buy 5 of them to get free shipping. So we're going to go to checkout right here. You can see that it's $186.83, which is like a fantastic deal, and you can see why here. So rather than using my regular email address, I just put in a fictitious one here, but you could just use a secondary email address that you've got. You put in your information with your location, and it's over $150, so it's free shipping. And right here is where you would put in the discount code, and you can only put in 1 discount code at a time, but Stephen Our BODi is a good permanent code. It works at all times. So you can see that by putting in 5 of them, we're getting it for $201. So you're getting 5 for the price of 4. So that's how you get that discount. So if you wanted to just type it in, you see it's $219. And then hopefully your computer remembers the discount code you used, and it'll just be there ready for you the next time. Just wanted to show you just how easy it is to get deals, and you can put in your payment information. Again, this will already be in here if you're using your regular account, but if you're just doing a one-time purchase without your BODi account, that's fine too. You don't need to be a member, although they will offer you a free membership right now in the month of May. So there's a lot of good deals to be had, right? So it's 20% off, and then you're getting another 15% off with Stephen Our BODi. And then you've got all of these. You can keep them. You can bring them to work if you want to keep some at work if you have a gym at your place, and to have some at home for when you're working out at home. You can kind of keep it where you need it. So it's a real good solution for getting savings. So hope you found that interesting, and thank you very much for watching.